Hello students, today we are doing question number 8 of exercise 7.2 NCERT. If A and B are minus 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 4 coordinates are given to you, find the coordinates of point P such that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. Find and P lies on the line segment AB. Here see, line segment is AB. P lies on the line segment AB. What you have to find out? You have to find point P only. Okay. For that, what is given to you? AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. A is clearly given to you this. B is clearly given to you this. Okay. I can write here x1 comma y1. I can write x2 comma y2. What I have to find? X comma y. But here m1 is given here clearly. m2 is not given. That I have to find out what is m2. m2 we have to find out. See here. What we know, the line segment is this because so what we know, AP plus PB. This will be equal to AB because of their point lie on AB. So what AB is given? AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. PB is as it is, AB as it is. Send 3 upon 7 that side. What will be then? I am taking LCM. After taking LCM, then 7AB minus 3AB is what? 4AB upon 7. Now what I have to find? The ratio of AP and PB. I can say M1 upon M2. What is AP? AP is given to you here 3 upon 7 AB. This is 4 upon 7 AB. AB to AB cut, 7 to 7 cut. What is? It means M1 ratio M2, that is 3 ratio 4. You can get here 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 also. Now M2 is here 4. Then come on, after that we are using section formula. We have given all x1, y1, x2, y2, m1 and m2. We have to find x and y. Come on section formula. Yes, on putting all the values in section formula, what is our section formula that we know? X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now I am putting the value. It is m1 value here 3, x2 is 2. All values if I put it, then what will we see here? 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Here is minus 2, then minus 8 will come upon 7. So what will be 6 minus 8 upon 7? This is minus 2 upon 7. Okay, if I solve this y, minus 12, this is minus 8 upon 7. Minus 12 and minus 8, this will be minus 20. Keep in mind, see, it will be very clear, minus 20 upon 7. Then what will be the coordinates of P? This will be minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. Come on the next question of this exercise. Come on, question number 9, exercise 7.2. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining these 2 points into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. See, we have given one line segment, and this line segment is divided by 3 points into 4 equal parts. 3 points are P, Q and R. 3 points are given to you, and these are in 4 equal parts. Means the ratio of AP, PQ, QR and RB. This is 1. I can say point Q is midpoint of AB, point P is midpoint of AQ, and point R, tell me what? Midpoint of QB. Yes. And what we have to find out? We have to find the coordinates of these 3 points P, Q and R. Come on. First case number 1. If Q is midpoint of AB. If Q is midpoint of AB, then what will be the coordinates of Q? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Come on. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Tell me what will be. See here, all of you see here, minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 0 upon 2 is what? 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 upon 2 is coming, see, 5. This is your coordinate of Q. I am writing here 0, 5. Now come on, second part for point P. P is midpoint of AQ. Then what will be coordinates of P? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. That is minus 2 plus 0 upon 2, 2 plus 5 upon 2. Then what will be? Tell me fast. Minus 2 upon 2 is your minus 1. This is your minus 1. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 upon 2. This is your 7 upon 2. This is your coordinates of P. And third point is your third case. Now point R. What is R? R is midpoint of QB. R is midpoint of QB. Okay. Then what is R then? 0 plus 2 upon 2, comma 5 plus 8 upon 2. So 2 upon 2 is what? 1. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 upon 2. So coordinate of Q is this, P is this, and R is this. This is your answer. Come on the next question. Yes, next question is, find area of rhombus if its vertices are this and this. They are taken in order. So ABCD is a rhombus. What is meaning of rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal, and diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. But what you have to find out? You have to find out area of rhombus. And what is area of rhombus? That we know. That is half D1 into D2. Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. AC is diagonal 1, BD is diagonal number 2. Diagonal 1 means what? Distance between 2 points. Clear? And diagonal 2 is what? This distance between 2 points B and D only. Come on. So first of all, we are going to find out AC. That is your D1. What is distance between 2 points? In my earlier lecture I explained you. Those who have not seen, you can go through there. On my link, see the lecture number 1, 2, that are basics of the distance between 2 points. Okay, come on. See here, AC is what? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Come on here. x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 0 whole square. Minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 square is what? 16. 4 square is what? 16. This is your under root 32. Okay, under root 32, what can I write? 16 to the 32. That is your 4 root 2 units. Come on, BD. BD, that is your diagonal number 2. Formula will be the same. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2, this, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Then what will come? Minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is what? 36. Minus 6 square, this will be 36. 36 plus again minus 6, this will be 36. Then this will be under root 72. 36 2s are 72. So can I write 6 root 2 units. But ultimately what I have to find out? Area of rhombus, write down. Half d1 into d2. Half. What is d1? 4 under root 2. d2 is what? 6 under root 2. What is the meaning? 4 into 6. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, that is your 2. 2 to 2 cut. What is the answer? 6 4 ja 24 square units. That's all of this exercise. It is very easy. This is based on distance formula and section formula.